Hi everybody, by now you may have already heard that a quarter-point reduction in the Bank of Canada rates has happened. It's here. Some of you thought, maybe even like me, I was a little tentative last night going to bed saying, are they going to move in the right direction or are they going to freeze? So quarter point puts the Bank of Canada rate today at 3%. Your personal banks may have a lower rate than that. What's going to happen from here is very, very uncertain. Will there be more coming, or will this be the first one and the last one for the whole year? I'm going to say my gut instinct says this can't be the last one for the whole year, just based on inflation and everything else going on in this province and in this country. But the big question is, what's going to happen and when will the next one be if we do get another one? Largely, I think, depends on what's going to happen with the tariffs that are going to come down from the US that they've been threatening, what happens with the new PM that comes into place, really what happens with our province here in Ontario. And that will determine, folks, what is going to happen with our economy, with the stability in the marketplace, which will translate right into real estate prices and whether this market is going to get started in a fiery way or it's going to look like gentle rolling hills, sort of like last year. The reality is the market has already started off with a bang in some neighborhoods. I've seen multiple offers in a lot of different neighborhoods, largely under $1.2 million, or in the 905s in specific neighborhoods, it's really hot, under, I'm going to say, $1.4 million. We're still seeing slowness, generally speaking, in the high $1 million range in central Toronto, and $2 million to $3 million is still very slow and tentative. Buyers are taking their time. They're making sure that they're going to have a little bit of cash left on hand after they've purchased their home, which is natural when there's economic uncertainty. People want to have a little bit of cushion left behind, and they really are uncertain of where they're going to be. So quick closing dates, they're a thing because you get certainty. You know what your rate's going to be. You know what the reality of your expenses are going to be if you're buying something. But longer closings, I don't think we're going to see a lot of really long closings, because with really long closings come a lot of uncertainty as things can change. And we know that things are probably going to change in the month of February and in the month of March. So this micro update serves truly to only be a micro update. Great news, we got a rate cut. If you're thinking of buying and you want a closing before spring really gets started, or by the end of February or by the end of March, then this information today is going to help you make that decision and get closer to being in your new home. If you're a seller and you're thinking about doing something now, third week of February, fourth week of February, hot. It's the best time to put your home to market. But I'm going to tell you, if you're sitting under $1 million, there's no reason that your home should not be on the market right now, as there is activity out there and buyers are out and on the hunt. And we're probably going to see in the next 10 days a little bit more of a spike given the news from this morning. So whether you're buying or selling, you want to make sure that this news has impact on your bottom line. And if you want specific information about your neighborhood or situation, as always, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.